All right, everybody, we're out here with the SNAPTAIN H823H, the one I did the video on the other day in the house. Now we're going to take it out here and try to fly it around a little bit, see how it acts out here. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of a breeze going on, so hopefully it'll just be intermittent. It's not real steady. Okay, let's get the high rate on before we take off. Here's the takeoff button here. I caught it. I want to calibrate it. I think I forgot. Let's do that again. Okay, there it goes. Now we'll take off. It's still going that way. Like I said, there's a little bit of a breeze going on, so it's going to have to fight that. It's a champion for fighting this breeze off, believe me. Well, let me land it again. It's really, just really ranking backwards. Let me try it again. These suckers, you gotta start them when they're completely level. Oh, it just ain't happening. Nope. Just ain't doing it today. Just ain't happening. I just can't take any breeze, man. Man, you can't really expect this indoor thing to fly with any kind of wind. Okay, it's really just not fair for it to. See, as long as the breeze dies down, it's fine. Once the breeze kicks up, it's a complete mess. Okay. See, it's fine as long as the breeze, once it goes away. So that's what you're looking at. It's an indoor quadcopter. That I'm trying to make work outside. So it's actually doing fairly well, actually.
Stop walking through that. Jeez, drive me crazy. Come on.
That's some guy over there fighting with his dogs.
Yeah, he's not doing good at all. Well, they get tied up. They get tied up in the leashes. Yeah.
This is about the most of range you want to even go with something like this. It's flying right. It's a little bit better right now because the wind died down a little bit. When I first took it off, it wasn't steady. It was intermittent, but it was pretty hard there a couple times, and it really affected it. But if there's no wind, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm watching them babies. They want to eat these. They want to eat these quadcopters. Okay. They want to eat them. Those little pugs, they want them, man. They want them bad. We're just riding out the battery. I'm gonna put the flight time in. Yeah, I think if you went much further than what I'm going, you'd probably lose bind on it. I'm going out about 30, what's that, about 30 feet or something. And it'll start beeping when the battery's getting low, okay? So you'll know when the battery's going low. But this battery is holding up pretty good, man. I had to do a little dodge on that one, guys. That was a little dodgy. Yeah, this battery's lasting, man. From being out here. Oh yeah, it's doing great. No, it's flying real good now. It's a little shaky at first. This is the second charge on this battery. This is the same battery that I used for the indoor flight. So I'm trying to get it broke in. Oh yeah, this thing's flying great now. You don't have no wind, this is awesome. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, man. That thing flew great. There you go, boys and girls. The SNAPTAIN H823H. It's a classic. I'll put the flight time in, and I'll put a link down there. And thanks for SNAPTAIN for sending it out. But, you know, like when I did with the indoor thing, it flies just like the blue one did. It just has the better option of you could swap the battery out, you know. Other than that, it's basically the same quadcopter, which was a great one. So, all right, guys, I'll talk to you later.